Let's see how to upload website from Xampp to Hostinger. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Here we will see the hosting section. Click on manage from here. Now select the domain where you want to upload your Xampp website. Now click on website from here. Select auto installer from here. Select WordPress. At first we will install WordPress on our Hostinger domain and then we will transfer the website from Xampp to Hostinger. Now add your website title, email, username and password. Now click on next and after that just click on install from here. I have already installed WordPress on my domain, so I am going to skip this step from here. So this is our website on localhost Xampp and this is our website on Hostinger. And now we will move this website to Hostinger. So log into the dashboards of both the websites. Now from the Xampp website dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new. Now search for WP Vivid. Install and activate this plugin. Now go to your Hostinger website dashboard. Click on plugins, click on add new. Again search for WP Vivid. Install and activate this plugin on the Hostinger website also. Once you have installed plugins on both the websites, go to your local website. Now from the left menu click on WP Vivid Backup. Now click on Backup now from here. It will start taking the backup of your WordPress website. Once your backup is completed, here you will see a notification. Now scroll down and here you will see your backup. Now click on download from here. Again click on download and the backup will start downloading to your computer. Once the backup is downloaded, go to your Hostinger website. Now click on WP Vivid from here. Now scroll down from here and then click on upload. Now click on select files. Select your backup file that you have downloaded to your computer from the local website. Now click on open. Now click on upload. Once the upload is completed, click on OK from here. After that scroll down to the bottom again and here you will see your uploaded backup. Just click on restore from here. Now again click on restore. Click on OK. Once the backup is restored, our Xampp website will be uploaded completely to Hostinger and it will start working on Hostinger. Once the backup is restored completely, click on OK from here. And right now our Xampp website is completely transferred to Hostinger. And right now we need to log into our WordPress website with the help of Xampp website username and password. So add your username and password and then click on login. And right now if I visit the Hostinger website, here we will see our Xampp website. So again if I refresh it, here you will see it again. And right now if you check the dashboards of both the websites, both of them are same. Just because our Xampp website is now transferred to Hostinger. So this is how you can upload your Xampp website to Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.